Hi, Shell. It's Jody. I don't have my makeup on yet, so I just want to give you a few quick tips. So the first thing I want you to try is this Rejuvenating Facial Peel. The full product looks like this. It costs $40, $39.99, but it lasts like a year. So the most important thing to remember on this is do it first on dry face. So don't wash your face first and then try to do the peel, because the peel's a natural product that it's like a gel. It's made with papaya, and if you do it on a wet face, sometimes just the humidity in your bathroom or the moisture on your face will kind of water down the enzyme and you won't get as good of an exfoliant. So I just want to show you. I don't put my fingers in it because you don't want to get any skin cells in there because the enzyme will be activated. So you really don't need very much. This is actually a lot. You put it on your dry face. And it's not a lotion, you just want it to kind of cover a certain area. And you'll notice as you're doing this that it starts to get liquidy. See, it was kind of like honey and now it's more like water. Once it turns watery, that means the enzyme's ready to work. And you can start to do little teeny tiny soft circles. Sorry, it's kind of weird to have a close-up without any makeup on. See how I'm starting to ball up little bits of dead skin? It's gross, but it's amazing. So I like to make sure people get kind of an instruction video for this one, because if you don't do it just right, you're like, it's not a big deal. But if you do it right, you're like, oh my gosh, that's the best product I've ever tried in my life. Okay? So you just kind of keep going until you get a bunch of dead skin flakes all over. And if you haven't done it before, you'll get a lot more than me. So that's the first product I want you to try. And then I like to do it first thing in the morning, and then I just hop in the shower and rinse all the skin flakes off. That way I don't find one in my hair or anything later in the day. But I'm doing this to show you. Okay? So when that's done, I want you to try your, oh, and don't ever double dip. Don't stick this back in unless you like wipe it off with a napkin or Kleenex. So that's the peel. Do that one first. Then you should have got a little gentle moisture lotion. This is the full size. You'll see that this little one, you use such a small amount that it lasts, this will probably last you 2 weeks. This usually lasts 6 months, maybe longer, depending on how often you wash your face. I'm gonna do my cleanser, which is a gel. Same price, it's just for a different skin type. So then after that, just wash your face. Now, if it was nighttime and I wanted to take all my mascara off, I could do this right over my eyes because there's no sulfates in it. It doesn't sting your eyes at all. If I had a lot of makeup on, I might do it twice just to make sure. And then the next step after this is the freshener toner, but I don't think I sent you one of those. I try not to send too many products at first because people get overwhelmed and then they don't even try them all. It's a waste. So I send like the most important things. So once that's done, my next step is my toner. And then you're going to go right to your moisturizer. Oh, I didn't grab a little one, but you have a little teeny one, and this is what the full size looks like. Actually, I'd probably do my Intense Eye Cream first. That's going to be a little packet like this, but it says Intense Eye Repair Cream. So I actually use the gel because I like the cooling effect, but this is the same thing. You just put a little bit on your ring finger, teeny tiny bit, and you're going to put it under. See how I kind of have a little bit of puffiness and didn't sleep very good last night? This will take care of that. And then all the way back. But just make sure you pat so that you don't rub, you know. That's your eye treatment. Then I like to follow with my moisturizer after that. So that's about all the moisture. Now mine's green. Yours will be pink. The pink one smells better. Now I like to spritz a little hydrating mist on my hand, which you could do with just water, just a teeny bit, just so there's some moisture, because we don't water down our products. So the aloe in them is the first ingredient, and it's concentrated, and the aloe takes the water down deeper into the tissue. So it hydrates the layers underneath, because you know the top layer is kind of already dead anyway. So those are your 4 steps that I sent you, I believe, unless I'm remembering wrong. So start with the peel. Do that first. Get all the dead skin off. And then cleanse really good. I would just do the peel in the morning. So if it's nighttime and you're ready to take your makeup and everything off, just use this. Eye makeup, everything. Gets it all off. Rinse it really good. And then moisturize with just wet fingers, a spray bottle of water, just a teeny bit of water, and that'll just, you'll feel how it doesn't sit on top, like it's already soaked into my skin. Most moisturizers are made with like oil and wax, and they just kind of cake the top of your skin and suffocate it so it can't get moisture in. And then your Intense Eye Repair Cream. Okay? Have a great day. Good luck. Enjoy. And let me know what you think. Should feel soft as a baby's bottom.